don't give Webflow up just yet. Because what we have been praying for a long time may just be about to happen. Webflow is extremely strong in creating, and we should understand it as a creation tool, not as a publishing tool. We need to be able to host Webflow wherever we want. We have control over our own servers. We can make them extremely fast, and actually it's closer than ever. Today I'm gonna show you a solution to the problem. I'm gonna take you through the advantages first, so you don't have to dig into my workflow, while it may not be even a solution for you. So I'm gonna save your time here today. When I talk to you about WordPress, you're probably not even wanna continue listening to me, but what if I told you that the thing that makes WordPress slow is plugins? The classical slow WordPress websites are made with Elementor, and we can use a custom website with very clean code. So when I talk about clean code, I think that may ring a bell, because Webflow makes extremely clean code. The thing that slows it down is their hosting, which they're not optimized for. They're optimized for being a design tool. If you're a fan of SEO, you can use your classic SEO tools. Think about Yoast SEO. Need a multilingual website? WordPress is not gonna bill you about $9 a language you add, or $7. I'm not really sure about the prices because I don't pay them. Prerequisites. You only need to have a little bit of knowledge about website hosting in general. I'm gonna show you how to apply this workflow to a very simple website, just a one-pager. Very heavy on design. After this design, I'm gonna export a website which is more complicated. It contains CMS items, projects. Follow along. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm not gonna leave you standing cold. I'm gonna give you solutions. But I'm gonna try to keep this tutorial as effective as possible. If I see comments or any questions, I'll promise that I will make a sequel and answer your questions. This is a website I made. It's not an official website, so I think it's a perfect example. I chose this example because it also contains some quite complex animations, and I just want to show you that it's all possible and it remains intact. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is use the Udesly adapter to create a configuration file. So create an account in Udesly. I will link the website down below. I'm not going to explain how to create an account. Just install this configurator. You need Google Chrome to install this adapter. So what you're going to do, I have a shortcut for it, but you would go to your extensions and you would activate it. And then you would configure the attributes, and it will work completely automatic. If you get an error doing that step, let me know in the comments and I will explain how to fix it. Now we have collected our configuration file. The next thing we need to do is we have to exit the preview mode because we don't need that, and we will export the codes. You've probably done this before. Alright, so now we have all the necessary steps. Well, from the homepage I'll show you how to navigate there. So the only thing you have to do is just go to the app, Webflow to WordPress, click that one. And here it is asking us to drag our config file. So the file you have created with the Chrome extension that you drop here. So I'm just going to fetch that. So here I got it. Now we have the webflow.zip file, which we have created with the code export. So I'm not going to officially launch this website, so I'm just going to go ahead with a free license. You can continue free, but you will have a badge underneath in your website and that it contains made with Udesly. If you want to officially use the tool and you want to remove that, you pay, I think, 70 euros. And per website, and it's a lifetime license, so you can use it how long you want. So this doesn't really matter, like Infinitasker is inherited from your Webflow theme. You can describe your author. Well, let's just put in my name here. The version is not quite necessary, and you can use a theme screenshot, but it's also not necessary. Alright, these settings are quite important. You want to export your CMS items because in this way it will carry on all your blogs, all the user accounts, all the profiles, all the projects. It will just take it with you. Remove your SEO because the remove the SEO because the SEO you get from Webflow will not be relevant when you will use Yoast in the future. If you're not planning on using Yoast or doing any effort SEO wise, I would just uncheck it and carry with you whatever you can take from Webflow. Alright, the translations, you don't have to enable them, so we can just go ahead. And that's it. Now we have our WordPress theme. And this is already a fully functional website, which doesn't need any plugins. So I will show you how to install that on your WordPress install. I'm not going to explain how you can create a WordPress install. I have my own server and my server is optimized for these websites. Please don't use a server like GoDaddy or TransIP or any massive server because then you will not reap any of the advantages. You want to make sure that you have a very good server. Alright, so currently I'm in the backend of my server. And let's take this website as an example. So this is a completely clean WordPress install. If you have this on your own server and you did a fresh install, it will probably be the same. So we got the theme. Let's go ahead and install the theme. But first, let's remove all of these themes because they are not necessary. And when we just have one theme, of course, we cannot delete that one. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this theme. So I'm just gonna go to upload. And make sure that you select the zip file which does not contain .webflow anymore. You wanna select the one that doesn't contain Webflow. You just drag it here and you install it now. Then you activate it. And then it says this theme recommends the following plugin, the Udesly app. Make sure that you install that one. Then you click activate. Alright, so when we go to the plugins right now, you will see that this is activated. So when we go to the front page of the website, you can see this website has been completely transferred and it's live right now. Alright, so I have now compared these two websites with each other. Just only the step of converting the website onto your own server already makes such a big impact. It's insane. And we didn't even start any optimization on the WordPress site yet. So the Webflow JavaScript is still extremely bloaty. It's very easy to limit that with WordPress. So just only with the conversion, we are already saving 20 points on the performance metric. If this does not wake you up, I am not sure, because this is already such a good impact.